Hi, to lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy A16, we'll need to create secure folder. And for that, find and open your settings. From here, in the main settings, you'll need to find this tab Security and Privacy. And then scroll down a bit and find more security settings. And after that, right on top, you can already see Secure folder. So just tap it, and firstly, we'll need to set it up. So tap Continue. Here, check some permissions required for this folder and tap Continue again. And now it is creating our secure folder, with the help of which you can lock apps. You can use different type of data in those apps. You can transfer some files in your secure folder and you'll be opening it with the help of password, PIN code or pattern. You can move some photos to this secure folder so they would disappear from your main gallery app and reappear in secure folder. And now it is creating it, so we are just waiting. And now, as I said before, we need to choose log type. So we got three options: PIN code, password and pattern. Let's select pattern and draw something. Tap Continue, draw it again, and then confirm. Now after that, there is an option to turn on reset with Samsung account, so if you forget how to unlock this folder, you can reset your lock using your account. So I suggest you to hit the button turn on. And after that, you can also enable to unlock this folder with the help of fingerprints or just tap next. And now you should see this list of apps which will be moved to your secure folder. If you want to add even more, tap on the plus and select something from the list. For example, we can choose Facebook, Gmail, let's select YouTube and Spotify. Now those apps appears in the selected apps tab. Just tap add and you'll see them in this list. After that, we can go back in the settings, select secure folder again, and first thing we can enable is to make pattern visible. After that, go in auto lock secure folder and select when you wanna lock your folder. When screen turns off, each time I leave an app, after 5, 10 or 30 minutes, or when phone restarts. I suggest you to select something from those three options for the best protection. For example, I'm gonna choose each time I leave an app. Now we can add this secure folder to app screen if you wanna see it in your app screen, or you can hide it by tapping here, selecting hide. And now you won't be able to see it in your app screen. You'll need to find it by going in settings and choosing secure folder again like this. Now let me enable this option. And here you can customize notifications, apps, you can manage accounts, restore from backup, you can check more settings and here find this option to uninstall the folder. And now let's find it in my app drawer. So yep, here it is. I'm gonna tap it and as you can see, to see its content we'll need to unlock it first. So let me draw my pattern. And now I can see this list of apps. For example, I can go in notes and create any note here which would be secured, but this note won't appear in the original notes app. Let me show you. I'm gonna find my notes and as you can see I got 0 notes here, but now I got 1 in the secure folder. Now we can also move some photos to this folder. If you just go in your main gallery app, select any photo or video, tap on the three dots and choose Move to Secure folder. Now you'll need to draw your pattern and this video or photo will disappear from the gallery and be moved to Secure folder. Also, you can add here Facebook, you can add WhatsApp, something like that, and use 2 separate accounts for those apps. And here you can keep different type of data. So this is really cool and useful app. You can tap on the three dots, choose to lock and exit, and after that, when you'll try to open it again, you'll need to unlock it with the help of your lock type. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.